ISO 27001 Annex A 5.35 Independent Review of Information Security. So what is it that the standard wants us to do so we know how we can go about implementing it, right? The organization's approach to managing information security and its implementation, including people, processes and technologies, should be reviewed independently at planned intervals or when significant change occurs. So what is a key takeaway from that? You need an independent review. Now, when it comes to having an independent review, you're going to have many different options. There are additional annexes and additional clauses within the ISO 27001 standard that apply here, right? Competence. Competence, and again, go check out that blog, check out that tutorial, check out that video. We have to ensure that the people that are doing the independent review are competent to do the independent review. Whether you choose somebody internally, which I'll come on to, or externally, they have to be competent to perform that. What we're also looking at here is segregation of duty, removal of conflicts of interest. An independent review is independent of the area being reviewed. We cannot review areas for which we have control or in which we operate. So you're going to have to do an independent review. How often would an independent review occur? At least annually, but it depends on whether or not you have implemented your internal audit process using somebody who is independent. If you have an internal audit process that is an ongoing process, of which there are blogs and guides and videos and tutorials, and you've chosen somebody independent to do that, then you are going to be doing this on an ongoing basis, and it is easy to evidence, right? So what you're looking at here is your ability to justify to the external auditor that the person that conducted the review is independent. So the best way, the easiest way, the simplest way is to outsource that, is to outsource your internal audit, is to outsource an annual review. And this goes above and beyond the certification audit and recertification audit, right? The auditors won't take them independently reviewing you as being an independent review, right? As a rule. So they need another independent review, right? So you're going to get independently reviewed more than once. Easiest way, outsource it, bring in somebody like me, approach me, reach out to me, ask me who I recommend, and I'll put some recommendations your way. Or if you are going to do it internally, be sure that you can argue that that person is competent to do the job and is independent of the areas being audited. I know a lot of the smaller companies, the startups, the early stages, don't like to spend any money, want to do everything themselves. So you are going to have to work out in your head how you can evidence that to an auditor in a way that is convincing, right? If you are going to do it that way, I would probably put it on the risk register and manage it through compensating controls and evidence and send that person on a course and at least get them some basic training. Number one way to do it, easiest way to do it, outsource it, have a contract in place with the outsourcer that evidences it, show evidence of reports and reviews, and you're going to be absolutely golden. Nice and easy, nice and easy. So I am Stuart Barker, I am the ISO 27001 Ninja. That was particularly fast because independent reviews need to be done independently and you're going to outsource it. And that's going to solve the problem for you, right? So until the next tutorial, peace out.